DTF is not MAC compatible. Girlsaurus.
You're sure it's like dinosaur.
I'm super excited because I wanted a DTF printer and now I finally got one and I'm happy. But yeah, I just got off of work, so I'm still in my scrubs. We're gonna hop into this right now. Before I decided to, you know, get in and start tearing stuff up, I decided to go online and check out Procolored's website and see about support. So I found like a user guide instruction manual. So the first thing it says is to install the film roll and the waste ink bottles. So that's what I'm about to do. It has 4 screws over here. And I'm gonna go through and take this out. So it comes with these 2 brackets and this rod and these wheels kind of things. The little wheels are the stabilizers for the pet roll, and you're gonna put them into the ends of the pet roll. Then we're going to reinstall the screws with the brackets. And then we're gonna install the rod through the roll. And on the roll there's screws. There's a screw to open it to adjust the rod, so I guess it doesn't slide back and forth in between. I'm just gonna... So what you're not going to do is pop both on at the same time. Pop one on and then put the rod through the other side and then push it in. Okay? Then I just use my thumbs to kind of make sure both of them are even on the side. And then in the picture is roll forward. So what I mean by roll forward is this forward, like this. Then you install it. I'm gonna find this piece. So it comes with 2 power cords and they pretty much look exactly the same because they are exactly the same.
Mommy, can you help me get my replica out?
Hmm?
Can you help me get my replica out? And guess what? Guess what?
Chinglet. And then it says to the instructions are a little different because it's telling me to push the forward button before I even turned it on. So just know that this model had already came with the waste ink bottle already installed. So all we had to do was install the pet film and I turned it on already, and then I pushed the forward button and it said it's feeding through properly. It's working. And then it says to install the platform. So I installed the platform and now it's telling me to open the ink chamber and add the ink. Okay?
Hi, subscribe at the end.
This one has little clips in the inside that you're going to take your fingers and squeeze, and then it opens to the door. And in the door you have your 5 colors for your inks: your white, your yellow, your black, your magenta, and your cyan. So in the box it came with 5 colors, all 5 of your colors, as well as a moisturizer so that when you're not using it you can take the colors out and make sure your print head doesn't clog. It also came with 3 syringes. that it came with 3 syringes and 5 tips, which is weird because there's 5 colors, but the white obviously you could just pour in. But what about the other one? So this is the white. And I'm gonna open it. And the whole bottle fits. Then we're just gonna close it back. It says to draw ink from your 6 cartridges. So before I start with the other colors, I'm gonna do the white first because I don't want to mess up this ink. Now I'm gonna do the yellow. I'm just gonna pull it up in the syringe. And put it in. I don't know no other way to do it. I found this little cup that goes to the iron to put the water in it that I don't use, so I use that to fill up the ink wells faster. Stick this in there, and when you pull it, you're gonna see the color run through the line to the cartridge, and you want to keep pulling until the cartridge is full. So now we already have the ink set up. So remember when I told you this setup is a little bit different, that the waste tank is in the back. It's not like a little lip like on the other one. So here I have to, I'm just gonna open it instead of trying to take the tubing out. And I'm gonna see if I can move you guys closer so I can show you what I'm doing back here, so that we all can get a nice little friendly understanding. I don't know. Can I get it like this? So this is where the waste tank tube is. So I just put the syringe in it and I'm gonna pull 20 milliliters out. You gotta push the power button. So now that the printer is all set and ready to rock and roll, the inks are installed, the waste tank, the waste pump has been pretty much primed. We pulled the ink through the way that we were supposed to. Now we're going to install the RIP software. So it comes with 2 dongles, and one thing that I've learned about DTF is that it is not Mac compatible. I do have a Mac. I am not running Mac OS on this screen here. I'm running Windows 11. I have Boot Camp on my MacBook Pro, and I created a partition, and that's a whole separate ordeal that I can link in the description bar so that you'll be able to do it yourself. And it's pretty simple. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to insert this dongle. It says DTF RIP Pro on it, and we're gonna see if this one is it, because there's 2. So let's see if this one works. I was having some issues with this printer, but I finally figured out what I was doing wrong, and it was that you have to push the power button over here in order to start the printing process, and once it's finished blinking and this temperature is at between 35 and 40, it'll actually print and it'll go through on your computer. I kept getting it saying that it failed. See my little helper? My little helper. Okay, so now I achieved my print, which I'm making her a shirt, and it's going to say Girlsaurus.
Girlsaurus, like dinosaur. Or Mommy did perfect on that, right?
Okay.
Or Triceratops. Or
Now I'm going to put together this dryer.
yeah, let's put together the dryer. Bye bye. Subscribe at the end of the video.
So now we're gonna turn the oven on, and we have the window open for exhaust because the air is gonna go this way. I'm gonna turn the oven on. And the instructions are that it's supposed to be at 160 degrees Celsius. So we're gonna let her warm up. We're gonna set it to 120 degrees Celsius, and we're going to bake it for 200 seconds. So this is it. It's still super hot, and the DTF that I have is cold peel, so I'm gonna wait for this to cool off and then I'm gonna show you the peel. So it's completely cooled, and baby, ooh, kids, I'll be that there. Kids, I'll be that there. It's a wrap. Now all I have to do is seal press with some Teflon. This is what it's looking like. I decided not to press on a good shirt. I decided to use a shirt that I actually messed up on. So that's the reason why the design is a little crooked. But honey, where is it? Where is it? Honey. What? So y'all saw it for yourself. This is the type of products that I'm going to be distributing in my business, and the quality is superb. Said what? Period. I'm loving this. I love it. I love it. When I tell you, this feels like I bought it from the store. I am loving this. Talk about upgrade. Upgrade. Beautiful quality. Beautiful. Like, it feels so nice. But yeah, check out your girl at Bella Visions Created, and make sure you order a shirt, a bag, whatever. DTF, here we go. We starting and we here. Holla at me. So yeah guys, that's the end of this video. And can y'all please do me a favor, because it'll definitely help on my channel. Comment, like, and subscribe, because I want to be able to do more things like this. I want to show you guys all of the crafts that I'm doing, all of the places that we're going, all the things that we're seeing. I have a couple of good things lined up for y'all. You know, the mamas and the dads out there. And I'm just here to say, like, if I could do it, y'all could do it. And I'm here to motivate y'all. Let's get these houses clean. Let's make these businesses. Let's take these babies out. Let's provide education for our children. Let's do it all. And by all means, come be a part of my family. And let's do it together, you know? So, yeah, guys, comment, like, and subscribe. Especially if you love seeing my two little people faces. It's not really about me. It's about them. But I look forward to seeing you guys in the future. And until the next video, I'll see you later. Bye.